What are you doing, Susan? Why are you packing your things?
It's time to go home. It's 5 o'clock already.
Have you finished all your tasks that you were assigned?
Yeah, I have.
You seem so rushed. Are you busy going anywhere?
Shh! Please be quiet, Owen. I don't want anybody to notice me when I leave. Just ignore me and concentrate on your work, please.
But where are you going to? Could I come with you? I'm so bored.
No, you can't. I must leave now. Bye. See you later.
Hey, Sarah. Do you have any idea about where Susan is going? She's looking weird lately. She generally packs her things sooner than 5 o'clock and runs out of the workplace quicker than any time in recent memory.
No, I don't know what she's up to. Why didn't you ask her instead?
Yes, I did. But she didn't want to tell me. I thought she told you because you both are very close to each other.
Not anymore. Why do you care about it too much? Maybe she's working for another company, or maybe she's having a family issue. I just guess.
I'm so curious.
Or she's dating somebody.
What?
I'm just joking. Stop overacting, Owen. What's the matter? Why did you want to know Susan online to an extreme? He has a crush on Susan. You don't recognize that, do you? Oh my goodness, unbelievable. Now it makes sense to me. In any case, Owen, don't let me advise you that we have a vital gathering with Tiger Woods, a golf legend, this evening. So kindly set aside every one of your interests for the rest of the gathering. I'll mention it no slip up, even a little one.
Okay, but will he attend a meeting?
Who are you talking about?
Our boss, of course.
He won definitely. I just saw him come out. He went to pick up his son at school maybe. His wife has been gone on vacation for a week. So there's nobody to take care of their son.
Where would we meet our client?
At the National Golf Links of America in 1 hour.
A golf course?
Yeah. Did you repeat the question for the interview?
Yeah, I did. I have a quick look at it one more time. Good evening, Mr. Wood. I am Michael Owen from the International Sport Magazine. This is my partner, Sarah Skim.
Hello. How do you do? Hi, Mr. Wood. I'm great. Nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you too.
Have you just finished your practice session?
Yeah, I took my son here for his practice. He's playing with some friends over there. He's so cute. By the way, thank you for joining us in today's interview. We always wanted to meet you in person. No problem. I'm glad to talk to you too.
Okay, Mr. Woods, how long have you been playing golf?
I started playing golf when I was 2 years old. And now you are one of the most famous professional golfers in the world. That's incredible. Thank you. I started playing golf professionally in 1996. That changed my life a lot afterwards. How did you feel when you won all 4 of the World Golf Championship before you turned 25?
Well, every one of my accomplishments is the compensation of quite a while of rehearsing sincerely. I had a blissful outlook on that. However, I don't let myself be arrogant.
How many World Golf Championships have you won until now?
18, I think.
Amazing. How about your parents? What did they think of you as the youngest golf player ever to win all 4 of these championships?
My dad is an African American and my mom is Thai. They took care of me and for the most part maintained me at any point. Clearly they were satisfied with me. My dad never missed any matches that I joined. He reminded me of the reason I began playing golf and how to be a harder man. I could only say that family is everything to me. I feel grateful for what they gave me.
I heard that your dad gave you the nickname Tiger. Is that true?
Yeah, it's so true. My real name is Eldrick, but I prefer to be called Tiger. It made me feel strong and unbeatable.
Awesome. How many golf courses have you played so far?
I could not remember exactly, there's so many of them. But my favorite place to play is Pebble Beach.
Can we talk a little bit about the Tiger Woods Foundation?
Sure.
For what reason did you lay out the foundation?
When I was young, many people helped me to achieve my goal as a golfer. I felt blessed for that. Then I recognized that some people cannot play golf because of their ethnicity, while others do not have enough money. Occasionally, I myself am prevented from playing golf. I think my mission now is to lend a hand to others.
That's so great. That's why you became such a good role model at an early age. Everyone looks up to you.
Thanks to you, golf is open to everyone now.
Yeah, I like to see the diversity on the golf course. I want all the children to play golf if they want to. I'm so happy that many children now want to play golf because of me.
Certainly. What is your health condition now?
Not very good. As you already know, I underwent emergency surgery to repair compound fracture sustained in my right leg in addition to shattered ankle. My full-time careers as a professional golfer were over. Now I just play a few events each year.
Are you sad about that?
Not actually. I figure I did all my best when it was yet conceivable. Nothing remains to be lamented about. I'm the sort of individual that never thinks once again into the past. Furthermore, I don't let the past keep me down.
In the event that you could express something to someone who is attempting a ride at their fantasy, what might you say?
Follow your dream, believe in yourself, and don't give up. Only those who risk going too far can possibly find out how far one can go.
Thank you for your time and all the positive messages.
Thank you for having me. Now I think it's time to ride my son home. See you later.
Goodbye, Mr. Woods. See you again.
Oh one, look, who is that?
Is that our boss? What is he doing here?
What could a person do on a golf course? Are you kidding me? Of course he came to play golf. Hey, that's not his wife. Who is that woman?
Are they hugging?
Yeah, I just saw that he kissed the woman on the cheek.
Hey, why is that woman so familiar to me?
Is that Susan, your crush?
What the? Oh my gosh, I could not believe that.
Oh, that's why they always leave work at 5 o'clock every afternoon. And now our boss is dating your soulmate. Are you okay, Owen?
No, I want to be alone, Sarah. Can you take a taxi home? I don't think I could drive you home now. Sorry.
Owen, no! You could not do that to me!